Hey guys, Ed up here. Today we're checking out the ZY-Q6 Smart Wi-Fi Security Camera from MudView. Inside the box you get the camera itself, some mounting hardware and stuff, user's guide, and a USB-C charging cable. So let's hook this thing up and see what it can do. So on the front here we have the lens, the infrared lights, that kind of stuff, motion sensing lights. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Speaker on the back. Mounting stuff on the bottom, along with our holes for the SD card and power, and our reset and our power buttons. So first thing we're going to do is plug this in and try to get some kind of a charge here. So here in the manual it says to scan this QR code to download the Cloud Edge app. I already have that on my phone. Scan code. Enter configuration, hold the device power button and start the device. This one right here is the power. We're going to hold it down. Please reset the device. That's the other one. Now it's reset. And we should have a flashing indicator right up here. Search for our network. There it is. Trailer rear. Hit OK, and we're going to hit done. Check for updates. We have automatic on there, that's good. We will now go into it. We are live. So we will go into our settings, and we will go to probably recording management first, and format that SD card. And that is done. Okay, let's start from the top here. We have America, Los Angeles, that's our time zone. We are charging, signal strength 100%. Cloud storage we're not going to mess with. AI intelligent analysis. No, I'm not buying any of that. Alarm management, we want to receive alert notifications. Motion detection, and just leave that there for now. And humanoid, night and day, detection, sensitivity. I don't really care about power saving mode. Performance mode. Well, let's look what power saving is. Length of video clip does not exceed 10 seconds. I see. So performance. Humanoid detection is enabled by default and the recording time is automatically extended. Kind of want that one just to see what's going on. So we're going to click that. Alert plan. I want it to be 24/7, so I'm not even going to worry about that. Human alarm area, don't care. Warning light and strobe, I want that off. Good. All of that seems fine. Let's go back and back. And we're at image setting. Default black and white images at night automatically cut to color images when object moves or detects a person. Let's do that one. We'll go back. Sound settings, I want them all off. Oh, no, all of those can stay on. Video encryption, I don't think I need anything in there. Yeah, I don't care about that. Recording management. Event recording. SD card capacity. Okay, all that's good. General settings. Working indicator off. Preview. Timeout. Pop-up reminder. I don't know. Battery management. That's all fine. We went to the 24-hour clock instead of the 12. So let's turn that off. Advanced service. Link with Alexa or Google Home. No, thank you. Contact us, restart device. So for the cloud storage, we have some options here. I don't want any of that. Get 6 seconds of cloud storage for free after opening. All of that stuff's kind of cool, but I have like probably 30 cameras now, and ain't nobody got time for paying for all of that, $2.99 each. That's insane. So let's go ahead and install this on the back of the trailer. There's a couple ways that we can install this. This on the bottom here has magnets in here, and it's pretty strong. This is a piece of metal that you can use these screws to screw it into your whatever, and then take this, and I'm going to do it from the side and attach it with that. Just kind of push it all the way in. It takes a while to get back off, so I'm not doing that. You can also use this sticky pad, stick it onto there, and screw through these holes into like the wood of your siding or something like that. This part here is going to screw into the bottom, and then you kind of angle it and then tighten it up, and then will stay where it's supposed to be. As for the power, I'm going to use a longer USB-C charging cable and plug it into this, and then try to run it through the window where the vents for the air conditioner, the heat pump are, and maybe always keep it powered instead of battery charging it all the time. So we're going to go set this up outside right now. We're back of the travel trailer right now, and I screwed in the metal plate and put it onto the magnet here. I tightened this up, and I was trying to tighten this up, and it just kept spinning. And I realized there's an arrow button here, and this is motorized to go back or forth. So when you line it up, you want to line up this arrow here as your front. So now with the app, we can go right and left. I have the cord going here in through the insulation for the heat pump, and I'll come inside and plug into something there. So we'll let this thing run like it is for about a week, and see what kind of pictures we get on the camera. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.